Another way to have a great content for your fan pages and for your groups is YouTube. So you go, for example, here in the YouTube search. Okay, so you can use YouTube and you retrieve this information directly here. You type again golf as a keyword, gonna click on search. And you wait until you have some results. And here we are, you see what's amazing. Okay, you retrieve from YouTube these videos. Here you see the thumbnail, here you see the title of the video, the description here, and posted by and posted at when, and then you can view it. Okay, I'm gonna click on view, or you can download this. Okay, you can download it, or you can post it. You can post this in your fan pages or in your groups. So it's amazing. You see here, this is on YouTube, explanation about golf. And here is, you just get this tool to download the video. If you want, you can also download the video using some plugins on Chrome or Firefox. And you can download this video on your desktop and upload it again if you want on Facebook. This is a great way to find great content for your prospects on your fan pages.